I'm really nervous because I've been working on a new online store and I have a community post scheduled to go up tomorrow. And I want to post and share my new store, but I'm really nervous, so I scheduled it instead. I have some pics of different items that I offer. I have art charts, like marker charts, stickers, digital downloads for wallpapers, and I have original paintings as well. So hopefully somebody shows up, hopefully my store's set up right, and hopefully anybody who tries to purchase doesn't have any issues. And if you do go see the store and you try to buy something, you have any issues, just let me know. I'm happy to help, and maybe I missed something, but I think it's all set up, hopefully. I'm really nervous.
Hey everyone, so it's voiceover Leanne here. I thought it would be fun to do just a paint with me video. I haven't done one of these for a while. But yeah, so I'm getting into a new sketchbook here and just sketching some of the photos I took from my trip to Ireland. I've had them sitting on my phone for the past few months, and I keep looking at them, and every time I look at them, I keep thinking I need to paint some, and there's just so many, it's so hard to choose. But I did want to kind of journal some of the things that I did while I was there. Some of the paintings that I picked are very selective based on kind of a range of things, so that I could kind of illustrate what it looked like or how I remembered it, but also some of the experiences that meant something to me. And I guess with the rook, I did do a rook before this, and of course, as I showed, and I love birds, and I just remember that when I was little, my grandparents used to play rook all the time, a card game, and it always had this big black bird on the box. And I didn't actually know that that was the name of the bird. I just thought that was the name of the card game. And then when I got older, I realized that it was a bird. But when we were in Ireland and I saw my first rook, I was so excited because it immediately reminded me of my childhood and when I used to see my grandparents play this card game with their friends. And just what that box looked like, it was really, it really stood out to me. So seeing the rooks, they look like they're wearing a mask, and they have very broad bills. They're very much like a blackbird or a crow, but they kind of have their own scruffy kind of look about them. They're pretty cool. And then with the tea and scones, so I'd never had clotted cream before, and I've had scones and jam, which I love. I love bakery items anyways. Anything with jam is super yummy. And so getting to experience this was really neat because we don't really do high tea or anything like that where I live, and I know it's a very British thing to do, to have a tea, like a kind of like a brunch or whatever, and to have tea and scones and clotted cream. And I thought, it was, the sound of it sounds kind of yucky, and I didn't know if I would like it. And when they brought it out, I tried it, and it was so good. Like it's indescribable. It's super yummy. And so I had it a few times on this trip, and I wanted to make sure I documented that too, because it was so good. And so a little bit of jam and a little bit of clotted cream on a scone. Very, very good. I'm finished this drawing now. So this is the scones. We had one morning we went on a river cruise, and so they had scones and jam and clotted cream and butter, I guess, for our breakfast. And so I wanted to capture that. This is my Irish spread of just some drawings from pictures that I took on our trip. So this is Kylemore Abbey, which was absolutely gorgeous on a lake. And so I have that, and then a rook that we stopped to eat lunch, and this little rook was outside the store that we were eating at. So we shared our potato chips with him and his friends. And yeah, and then the clotted cream with the scones. So I'm going to do a theme pack in my store, and I'm going to base it on places that I've been. So my first one is going to be my Ireland series. I'm going to offer, this is a print, this is a sticker, this is a sticker, and then I'm going to do one more painting that will be a print in the package. And so look for that to be added. I will post a note in my community tab in YouTube once that's ready, and it'll be in my store. So if you do go to my shop, you can go on the shop and sign up for my newsletter, and I'll also notify through that as well. I hope you enjoyed this fun little quick paint with me video, just something different. And yeah, it was fun to work in my sketchbook, in my new sketchbook. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you're notified the next time I post video to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.